Hi guys, this is RC once again. So let's do installation of Windows OS to my laptop. So our laptop is empty, so there's no operating system inside. So let's try to okay. Let's put this USB flash drive, guys. There's OS inside. I have this is a bootable USB, so I just put Windows operating system, Windows 10. I use Rufus. Then if you have the Windows installer, so you can do a bootable flash drive with Rufus. So you can do search, guys, how to use Rufus, and if you have a Windows operating system, they can make a bootable uh, USB flash drive. So this is Windows 10. So the minimum storage or capacity for the flash drive for Windows 10 bootable is 8 gig. So make sure you have 8 gig or more. But you cannot use 1 terabyte USB. So I tried it with 1 terabyte. I have 1 terabyte USB, guys. Where is it now? I will show you. So if you wonder, guys, that you don't see any terabyte USB, it's legit, guys. I have 1 terabyte USB, guys. It's functional. It's working. I bought this one in Lazada. Also, it has double side with a standard USB and a micro USB. Also, there's included Type C adapter. It's legit, guys. It's working. So you can buy it in Lazada for around, I think that's around, I forgot the price, guys. But it's legit. I saw you if it's legit or not, because some says that uh, there's no 1 terabyte USB functional. So I will try to hook this, guys. I will show you. Let's show you first my storage. So guys, what you see here, only that partition only. So I got only 500 gig hard drive and Google Drive. So let's put in the 1 terabyte if it's detected. So there's a prompt that you just hook a 1 terabyte USB drive. So here you see that there's a 1 terabyte drive D with 976 gigabyte. That's 1 terabyte hard disk USB drive, guys. So it's legit. So let's proceed with the installation of the OS. So this is a Windows 10 operating system. So I will hook this bootable USB into my laptop, which is empty. So let's try to turn it on. Then, guys, if you want to boot it from USB, you can press, I think that's F8 in your laptop. Press it, guys, until you see a boot option, Now it's directly boot into boot of Windows operating system installation, guys. So let's proceed. Oh, I wanna make it closer. Okay, guys. So prompted with Windows setup. So you can select language to install. Let's just use uh, English, United States, and time and currency, still United States, and keyboard input, United States. Then next. Then install now. Click install now. So it will basically loading all the important data, the installation data to your. So guys, I don't have the product key for the Windows installation now. So you can skip that one, guys. You can skip it. Skip it. Skip. Then it's prompted with operating system, either Windows 10 Pro and Windows Home Edition with 64-bit operating system. So I will select the Pro, guys, because the Home version is limited. There are no, also there are something like Windows Firewall built in with Windows Home. There's no Windows Firewall, so I just use Windows Pro, Windows 10 Pro. So just click it, guys. Then if you prompted with a license terms agreement, you can just accept that one. Then next. Then you can do there's a prompt, guys, that which type of installation do you want? So upgrade or a custom installation. So I just want to select custom, guys, because it's an empty drive, so I just use custom. Then the hard drive is detected. I can delete all the partitions. Okay. Delete. Yes, so there's only one partition inside, guys. So actually I don't the good thing with, you can also partition your hard drive, guys, so that if you have files, uh, you can separate all your files to other partitions, so that if you have problems with a corrupt operating system or any problems encountered on the process, or when your computer is functional, then if it's suddenly not functioning, then you need to reformat or refresh your computer. You can easily reinstall the operating system on the installation partition, so without deleting the files from the other partition, guys. So I advise you to create a partition. You, or you can also create one partition, guys, but it's very risky. If you have data, then if you don't have a backup files, a backup. A good thing if you are still if you back up your files in the USB or any other source of backup. So that's not a problem, but it's a good practice that you need to have a partition drive for your files. Okay, guys. So let's make another partition. So new, you can select how much storage for your new partition. So this is a 240 gigabyte hard drive. So I will select 100 gig or 100 MB, 100,000 MB, guys, for 100 gig. Then the rest will be other partition. So guys, I can proceed now with the use of, hold on. So I can select the 100 gigabyte partition, guys, for my operating system. So select that one, then click next. Then it will go the installation process, guys. So the system is now copying the installation files to the hard drive, then doing all the process in installation. I think it's not the video is, you cannot easily see the video, guys, because it's against the light of the backlight of the laptop or the LED of the laptop. So it's doing the installation, guys. Anyway, this is only a demonstration on how to do a format installation for your computer, specifically in the laptop. But it's almost the same, guys, with the desktop. You can just make a bootable USB flash drive. because it's pretty easy with a USB flash drive. Before, you need to have CD-ROM that you need to burn the installation files in a CD with a CD writer. So now we can use the USB. There are different procedure, guys, in formatting computers. The older one, the older version you can use back 1990s. You can use floppy drive. Then the evolution goes into the CD drive. Then now we have the flash drive installation. From the flash drive installation, if you get into the enterprise system, if you have a Windows deployment system like the company that I support, I have a Windows system deployment. I can install operating system through a Windows through a network in a Windows server from a Windows server. So guys, please wait because it's being copied. The system is being copied. The installation system is being copied with the laptop and doing all the process and installation. So it takes time, guys. So bear with me. I think it's around maximum of 30 minutes in installation with formatting computers, installing the operating system. Excuse me. So we're still now in 73% copying the installation files from the computer. So again, guys, from my previous videos, I I walked you through on how did I come up with the formatting with my computer because my laptop is very laggy. I have many files on it, so I don't want to touch all the files. I don't want to touch the previous previous setup of my profile on the computer. And then also I have the problem with the battery pack of this laptop. It's damaged. So now, guys, I already replaced the. Okay, guys, so let's continue. So after the installation process was completed, so it goes into this desktop view. So it says here it's time to enter the product key. So I don't have that product key for now, guys. So you can press the do this later, that one. Then you can okay, just click next and do this later. Then you can just click the use express settings, guys. That one. Then it will do the thing. It will the system will initialize for express settings. So let's wait, guys. Okay, so here create an account for this PC. So you need to create at least one user, guys. So the created user will be the administrator or with admin rights in your computer. So I can create one. So let's say my name RC. Okay, reset. Then I can leave. You can input password, guys, but you can also escape the password creation. Create. So maybe I can have it passworded. Okay. Okay. You can also input a password hint. You can okay. I can pass. Okay, then next. So the system will now uh, initialize your desktop. Okay, so it's now prompted with hi hello. So now the city is doing the initialization of the desktop. Okay, this won't take long. So the system is setting up your apps. Then so this laptop, guys, is Intel uh, i7, Intel Core i7, Asus brand, okay, with 8 GB RAM. That is pretty good laptop, guys. Okay, let's wait, guys, until it finish. So it's now initializing, guys. Now we have now the desktop view. So the problem, guys, is we cannot use the touch panel of the laptop because it needs to install the driver for the laptop. So technically, when you format your computers, some of your components or device in your built into your laptop will not function until you install the software driver for it, like LAN, wireless, audio, touchpad, and more. So you need to install that software driver, guys, in order to function that accessories or device built in your laptop. Correct, guys? So now we have finished formatting your computer. Then you can install the software, anything you want to do with your laptop, like Microsoft Office, anything. You can use USB to or download from the internet, guys. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you gather ideas in formatting the computer. Bye bye.